Alright guys, this is our next question from Q19 for the second slot. You can pause the video and try it out once and resume for the solution. Okay guys, it's a very easy question. A vessel contained a certain amount of solution of acid and water. When 2 liters of water was added to it, the new solution had 50% acid concentration. When 15 liters of acid was further added to this new solution, the final solution had 80% acid concentration. The ratio of water and acid in the original solution was. Okay, so we have a vessel. That vessel contains acid and water. Okay, acid and water combined. When 2 liters of water was added to it, so if you're adding water to it and that to 2 liters of water, then the mixture contains 50% acid. So now we have 50% acid mixture. Now when 15 liters of acid was further added to this, we are adding 15 liters of acid. We are adding acid 15 liters, and now the final solution had 80% acid. They're asking us the ratio of water and acid in the original solution. So let's start. Let's start by working in the reverse direction. Let's start by looking at the last transaction. Okay, a 50% acid solution. To this, you're adding acid 15 liters. So we have 100% acid solution, and that is worth 15 liters actually. You're adding both, and overall you get 80% acid solution. Now in the next step, we'll simply apply the rule of alligations here. 100 minus 80 is 20 and 80 minus 50 is 30. The ratio comes out to be 20:30 or 2:3. So the ratio in which we have mixed the two solutions is 2:3, but 3 is nothing but 15 liters. So 2 is nothing but 10 liters, right? 3 5s are 15, so 2 5s are 10. So after adding 2 liters of water, we have a 10 liter acid solution. Now in this solution, we have 50% acid, right? In this solution, 10 liters is the content and 50% is acid. So in this mixture, the second mixture, we have 5 liters of water and we also have 5 liters of acid finally. And this 10 liters is obtained by adding 2 liters of water, right? So initially in this mixture, how much water content did we have? 5 liters minus 2 liters, basically 3 liters, right? So in this mixture, the water content was 3 liters and the acid content was 5 liters. The ratio required of water and acid in this solution will be 3 liters is to 5 liters, 3 is to 5, and that is your D option. Okay, very simple question. We just have to move backwards. We have to use the rule of alligation first, and we get the content 10 liters of this solution, and that 10 liters has 50% acid. So 5 liters acid and 5 liters water. This 5 liters of water is obtained by adding 2 liters of pure water. So initially the water content was 3. The ratio of water to acid initially is 3:5. Your option D.